What is good, YouTube? What is good, everybody? It's your boy Kanzi Beat right here with another awesome and amazing video. So in today's video, I'm going to try to make a beat in 10 minutes, a fire beat in 10 minutes. So do well to click that like button and then show some love by subscribing. Click that subscribe button and get 10 years of good luck. Trust me, it works. And then also click that notification button so you can get notified for my next video. So let's get to today's video. So on today's video, I'm going to make a beat. I have this one shot. It's a bell, so I'm just gonna mess around with it and then see what I have. I actually want this to be 135 BPM, so I'm just gonna mess around and then see what I like. Then I want to add a bass note. I just feel like a bass note, and then I'm gonna take this one down. Then take this up. Then this one down also. Bring this one up. Okay. Okay, copy this over. Now that I have this, I want to render it out as an audio. So guys, I have this rendered out as an audio. So what I want to do next is add my drums.
Nice.
To keep the vibe going. So I want to add this before I do this. And then I want to add a clap and a snare. Alright, and then I want to add an 808. And then producers always check the key your 808 is in. So I'm going to do that by checking it. It's D sharp, so you know what to do. So it's in D sharp right now, so what I want to do is change this to D sharp. Okay, so right now my 808 is in key. Alright, so I'm gonna just cut itself and then pick this up. This. Alright. And then I'm gonna add the snare. Then piano roll. and I want to add a kick. And then I just want it to, come in once in a while. So I'm gonna add a flute sound. What do I get there? Okay. Okay, this will do. So I'll add something like this. Before I do that, quickly do this. Okay. And then I want to add some open heads. I'm going to quickly go to my drum kit and then get an open head. Okay. I think I'm done like this, so I'm just going to quickly arrange the beats. Before I do that, I want to get all this. Split this. So I want to make some quick changes. So this, bring this up, and then to the kick also, I'm gonna add this. Then I'll just copy paste. So what I want to do is this. And then I want to add drag one down and then make it unique, and then also do this, pitch it up, then take the volume down. Okay. I want this to repeat the second part of the hook, so I'm gonna take the kick out. So it's just the 808 for the first part of the hook. And then I'm gonna just take this out, take the kick out, and then bring the kick back for the verse, and then leave this right here, take the 808, take the kick out, take the open hat, and then that's the last part of the the verse. Sorry.
Here we go again.
And then take this out, bring this also for the second part of the hook, for the second hook. Sorry, and then and then just repeat this. So it's a hook, and then we have the reverse, and then hook, and then verse, and then hook. Okay, so I'm going to play the beat for y'all to listen. I think right here is we have the beat at 3 minutes, so alright, that's the beat. Thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Thank you for supporting me. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click that subscribe button, subscribe right now, and then click on the notification button so you can get notified for my next video. Thank you guys. See you guys next time, same station. Hey, let's go.